certain more results are coming out the way. Okay, what are the results? So you know what probability of any set A will be always what? Suppose it is x. So x will always belong to this. Okay. Suppose I want to find the probability of complement of A. Let's draw the Venn diagram. This is your AC. Okay, whatever is outside A, that is your A complement. Okay, suppose A complement is something like this. This is A complement. A complement. So what is the probability of the sample space? Probability of sample space equals to 1. Also A and A complement are mutually disjoint. Okay, so this is nothing but probability of A union A complement, which is nothing but probability of A plus probability of A complement. So we have just proved this result that probability of A complement is equal to 1 minus probability of A, or the other case, that is probability of A is equal to 1 minus probability of A complement. This is a result. Okay, another result, let me use that. You have probability of A conditional B is equal to probability of A intersection B divided by probability of B. Suppose A and B are independent, so this thing, okay, this thing will become probability of A, and the thing in the denominator will get multiplied with it, probability of B, which is equal to probability of A intersection B. When we have two independent events, then this thing is going to happen. So these are few results that we justified in our class.